That convenience, flying back and forth, of course, Tokyo Iwakuni, and of course we have the definitive winglets of the Boeing 737, one of the newer series, and the very colorful ANA Boeing. Somewhere in the world today, there is a 737 taking off or landing every 3 minutes. That's how popular this airliner has been. That is how many of them. Those winglets, they making that wing even more efficient. The 737 from Boeing, of course, one of the most successful lines of aircraft in aviation history. Somewhere in the world, consider it again, there is one of these 737 types taking off or landing every 3 minutes. That's how prolific this airplane has been.